Removing, replacing, or repairing a jet in a Dreammaker spa. The jets used in a Dreammaker spa are unique and different from those used in conventional acrylic spas. This video will provide you the basic instruction for a jet removal, repair, or replacement. Begin by removing the side panel nearest the jet that needs repair. Remove the GreenGuard insulation panel to allow access to the backside of the jet. Then, starting from inside the spa, remove the jet face by twisting counterclockwise until the face is unscrewed. During the initial twisting, there is a snug spot that will require extra force. Behind the jet face is a snap ring fastener that holds the jet body in place. Using a small screwdriver, release the snap ring to unlock the front side of the jet body. Once the snap ring has been removed, move to the back side of the jet body through the opening in the side panel. Pull the jet body out of the opening. There are 2 rubber O-rings on each jet body. Remove the O-rings and examine them and jet body for cracks or wear. The O-rings are important for a tight seal and to avoid leaks. Once you have examined the parts, reinstall or replace the O-rings. Be sure to lubricate the O-rings with lubricant such as vegetable oil or Teflon lubricant. Do not use any type of silicone sealant. Slide the jet body back into the sleeve opening until snug and flush against the sleeve. On the front of the jet, replace the snap ring to lock it into place. Then, twisting clockwise, screw the jet face into the body. Turn the face past the snug spot to lock it into position. Watch for other useful technical videos available from Dreammaker Spas.